Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video we'll see how we can add a image after we post WhatsApp status. For example, if you already posted a WhatsApp status with two of the pics, and after some time in the day, if you want to add third image or if you add some more images to the current WhatsApp, you can do that. I'll show you how you can do that. Open WhatsApp status. Yeah, this is the status. Click on my status and tap on the image. Okay, click on these three dots, and at bottom you will see the edit symbol and this photo option. So click on this photo option, and you can use any of your picture or video from your phone gallery. So when you tap on this icon, see here, so in this way we can add more images or videos. So if you feel this is helpful, please do share it to others, and thanks for watching.